what's up YouTube? This is me Abel, this is 10K videos. Just got done spending a day in the desert. Had so much fun. If you don't like guns, don't watch the video. If you don't like profanity, don't watch the video. We're out there just being a couple of jackasses, having a good time, being men. Anyway, I want to say peace out, or peace, shout out to my boy Joe, supplying the artillery. And man, had a lot of fun. Please enjoy.
Missing is really, I mean, you know, you have to be completely unfamiliar. Okay, so this is your bolt carrier group. Okay, and you don't have to get totally insano with the lubricant. That's completely unnecessary.
That's what she said.
She did say that. Okay, so again, don't get crazy. That's plenty. Okay, so
God, I love the smell of shit.
yep. All right, you're locked open.
Woo!
Okay, so that's 20 rounds. All right, it's on safe.
Fucking badass.
All right, so you shot your AR-15 for the first time. Nothing fancy, it's just a Diamondback, but it's outfitted pretty well. So it's got a Strike Fire 2 red dot.
And the red dot is fucking insane cool, dude.
The red dot, it's also got, I forget the brand of these, but it's got the 45-degree offsets in case you don't have time to turn on the red dot and there's somebody in your house or whatever. And you're using a Troy Battle Mag, which I picked up for like $6 freaking, and they're absolutely fantastic. And I forget the name brand of this, but this obviously holds a flashlight. So yeah, that's it, Diamondback. I mean, it was $4.99 on Black Friday, and I've been very happy with it. What can I tell you?
Yo, what's up YouTube? It's me hanging out with a buddy of mine, getting some shooting done. Got my hands on a 1911, and I'm gonna get down. I'm introducing Callahan. Go for it, buddy.
Callahan is my carry weapon. Obviously, I name it for Harry Callahan, Dirty Harry. All my carry weapons, and I have quite a number of them, have boy names. I know it's dumb, but that's what I do. So I got guns at home that I have a lot of affection for that they all have girl names. For instance, I have a 44 Magnum with a 10.5-inch barrel. She's big, she's black, so that one's named Latifah.
Nice.
Right? So I know, it's dumb. And yeah, you know.
So it is what it is.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Of course, I'm a huge Prince fan. I mean, absolutely huge.
Dude, that gun is sick. That purple handle makes me want to buy that gun alone. I mean, that's beautiful.
Is like a tamer, a Hogue tamer grip.
The grip, yeah, it's beautiful.
So it's by Hogue, and it's rubberized, and it's purple because of Prince. I grew up with that dude.
I mean, Prince is dope, dude.
Prince is the man.
Yeah, that's
My
right.
daughter's name is Cynthia Rose, so that would give you an idea, if you know Prince, why she's named Cynthia Rose.
That's right.
If you don't, it's all right. No big. So this is a SIG P938 SAS. So this is the SAS version. SIG anti-snag. This is dehorned in every way that it can be.
Oh my God.
All the edges are rounded off. It's melted. They call it melted, right? So it's melted so that it doesn't snag in your pocket if you have to do a quick draw. I typically will pocket carry this weapon. Right now I have it in a DeSantis mini scabbard. So top grain leather. This is the way I carry when I don't care that it shows, which is most of the time. Sometimes I totally care that it shows, depending on where I am. And I will carry it in a Nemesis. I believe it's also by DeSantis. A Nemesis pocket holster.
That is dope. I know what that is. That is tight.
So these are FMJs, nothing special. These are 7. I believe they're sitting. Let's see, 2, 4. Yeah, they're 7. 7 plus. This is a 7 plus 1. Let's put a few through it.
Cool. And we are having a lot of fun today. Oh.
Okay, so there's mag 1. It took me a while to figure the sight picture, but I think I got it now. Definitely not hitting much today.
You and me both, brother. All right, YouTube. I'm gonna get to try out Callahan. I haven't been hitting anything all day long. I look horrible. It's just a horrible feeling. But do I gotta rack this?
Yeah, there's nothing in the chamber.
All right.
And you'll notice that you can rack it with the safety on, unlike a 1911.
Wow.
So the 1911, see, when the safety's on, see how it holds the slide? That's not the case with that one.
I know, I just racked it with the safety on.
Yeah.
I saw the hammer back, I thought that was one in the chamber.
No.
Okay. All right. So let's see how I do. Let's see if you hear any steel. All right, YouTube, we're gonna try out Rick Grimes. This can be a straight shooting video. This video is not gonna make sense. You're gonna hear shit, see shit, whatever. But this is loaded, and I'm ready to rock. Not my finest quality, I'll tell you that.
That's awesome. Too high. I'm fucking that up.
Ooh, I love that sound.
That's it. So it's 18 rounds. I think I missed 3. So 3 out of 18. You know, and you saw how fast I acquired each target.
Yeah.
I mean, that's how easy it is to shoot this thing. If I'd taken my time, it would have been 18 out of 18. This is a Henry 22 long rifle, lever action. It's a standard model, so it doesn't have the octagonal barrel, the heavy barrel. So pay $400 for this at Walmart, and you have yourself a high quality 22 that will last you your entire life. You'll never replace this weapon.
Nice. AR-15. Got the hand grip here, the light, scope, red dot. Just for fun, I'm gonna try shooting sideways, see if I can hit anything. This right here was letting me use by my buddy Joe, and Joe's fucking awesome. Excuse my language.
Joe's awesome.
Joe's awesome. Fire. I tried shooting sideways. I don't like it.
Okay.
Oh, I got it. Yeah. Woo. Never mind, I might like it. I don't know if you guys, I probably can't, but that red dot action is freaking really sweet.
This is my homeboy, Abel Capone Cruz. He's gonna dump 20 rounds downrange. Nice. Number 2. Yeah, they're dead. Hey, Abel. What's up, bro?
What's up?
Is that an ETS extended mag, or are you just happy to see me?
It is. I already got one in the chamber. Let's see if this thing works.
Let's do it.
Okay, so before I shoot, every time I've touched this Glock, I've never had a malfunction.
No, you never will.
500 rounds to this Glock. Never had a malfunction, never had a bullet mess up on me.
Yeah, you never will.
So, I'm gonna try this clip, this magazine. I wanna see how really bad I heard this magazine is really solid, good for the gun, so 30 shots. Let's see if it works. And I'm just letting off, because I'm trying to hit stuff and it ain't working, so let's try.
Happens to the best of us. Yep. Held open on the last round. Woo! ETS.
Damn.
They're not cheap, but they're not as expensive as the original Glocks.
You can call me a Glock fanboy if you want. I really don't care. But Glock is tight. Glock is tight. Okay. Go for it, buddy.
We got a Glock 19 with 31 cartridges in it. ETS mag. And let's see how we do.
This is round 2.
This is definitely not precision. This is just how many rounds I can get down range in the shortest amount of time.
Any malfunctions?
No, and I wouldn't expect one.
Oh, nice. What's up, YouTube? Just for a tip for today. Man, life is short. Enjoy it. I'm having so much fun. I'm pretty sure everybody watching this video works their ass off. Unless you're a stay-at-home kid or something. I don't know. But anyway, if you work your ass off, enjoy life, man. You gotta have fun. Deuces.